need your right hand. For the first rule, the direction of the field lines are represented by your fingers. Your fingers. Those are fingers. And the current by your thumb. Thumb! So, if your current is flowing downwards, the field lines are going
clockwise.
Clockwise.
This is the first right-hand rule. Your thumb represents the current and your fingers represent the field lines. So, the current is flowing upwards. That means the field lines are going in a counterclockwise direction.
Or anti-clockwise. In the UK, it's called anti-clockwise.
The more you know.
The more you grow.
And now, a word from our sponsors.
You want to dance? I can put your inertia in motion.
Two physicists in love.
Even if there were no gravity on Earth, I'd still fall for you.
And a book of puns.
Did you swallow Megan? Because you're attractive.
So, moving on to the second rule.
If the current is flowing up this way, and your fingers are represented by the current, and your thumb is representing where the field lines would point to the north, then the north will be on this end. Right-hand rule 3. If the current is flowing downwards, and the field lines are pointing towards the south side of the magnet, then when the wire has current flowing through it, it will be pushed out of the page.
Take 76.
If the current is flowing upwards and the field lines are pointing towards the south end of the magnet, the wire will then be pushed into the page.
Thank you for learning.
Of course, you don't
You
get
have to
much
get
results.
70% to like pass or fail like an assignment. Like you have to have 70%.
Don't have to say anything? If the current is flowing upwards and the field lines are still pointing towards the south side of the magnet, the current carrying wire will be pushed out of the page. Into the page.
Great. 75.
Just a wee
Take
breath.
76.
If the current is flowing upwards and the field lines are still pointing towards the south side of the magnet,
South side.
if the current is flowing upwards and the field lines are still pointing towards the south side of the magnet,
Oh! You're still here. One last thing before we go. You have mass. Therefore, you matter.